Hi, I'm Steve, and at PartSelect we give you the confidence to repair any appliance in your home, big or small. Repairing your home appliances doesn't have to be scary or expensive. Order your repair parts from PartSelect.com and then follow along with any of our thousands of model-specific repair videos. You may just save a small fortune in repair or replacement costs. Not sure what repair needs to be made? We help you diagnose your appliances in our videos and on PartSelect.com so you can make an informed decision. And if you're simply looking to be more handy around your home, we offer advice, tips, tricks, and how-to videos to help. Please leave a comment to let us know what videos would help you, and subscribe so you don't miss a thing.